Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about these Starbucks drinks, like these customized ones that you see all over Etsy. This one is from an Etsy shop called HookedByMeadow. It's actually owned by one of my friends from a previous job. She trained me in the department that we were in, and everything I know is because of her. So I saw she had an Etsy shop. I've been wanting to buy something for a long time. This is actually for my mother, so you're gonna see the name Nancy there. That is my mom's name. I got it for her birthday, and I am planning on placing another order, like another custom order as well. But let's take a look at what this Etsy shop has to offer. Like, I paid for this with my own money, so I'll have my receipt right here. I don't know if I mentioned that already. It has a lot of different customizable options. I really love the Powerpuff Girls cup. I've seen some of her other designs on her Instagram as well that are really speaking to me. I kind of want to go for something Marvel themed. I'm really into WandaVision, so I want to see if she can make that happen, because that show has left such an impact on me. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and it's so touching, and I hope they win an Emmy. But anyway, back to this cup. So I saw her post a cup similar to this on her Instagram stories. I messaged her, asked her about it, and then she asked me a series of questions based on what I wanted on the cup. So I wanted my mom's name. I wanted the cute butterflies in pink and blue because those are her favorite colors. Well, lavender is actually her favorite color, but I didn't want the butterflies to also be lavender. I feel like that would have been very repetitive, and I think it's adorable. It came with an extra straw, and also just the packaging in which everything arrived in was really beautiful. So I do want to shout her out for that. There's an airplane flying by. But yes, take a look at the packaging. I did film this as soon as I opened it. I didn't want to unwrap it myself because this was obviously a gift for my mother. But she definitely enjoyed it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here it is. It came with the 2 different straws, which I thought was a nice touch. I love the font of the name. I think it's very cute. So I like these Starbucks cups because they help me personally drink more water, and I know my mom's the same way. When something's in a pretty cup, it just makes you more inclined to drink it, and we don't really drink iced coffees. I don't, at least, and if I do, it's from Dunkin'. It's not from Starbucks. But these are just fun. I think they're all over Instagram. I think they're just so much fun to get something that's personalized and that you can use on a daily basis. So that is my review for this shop. I will definitely come back if I order more things. Generally, I like to do reviews when I have more than one item, but I just didn't want to wait any longer. Plus, I'm struggling to find things to talk about on this channel anyways. So I figured, why not shout out her shop, because it's great. And I will check back on how this cup is holding up and stuff in the description box. I always like to put updates on my reviews in case things change, even though they usually don't, at least not with stuff like this. I do have another cup from a different shop for the holiday season. I always like to get either for like Christmas or for Halloween, just because it helps liven up my day, and it's just something to look forward to. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I will have this Etsy shop linked down below. It means so much that everyone continues to come by and support my channel, especially through the chaotic mess of my schedule recently. I've been trying to bump up the uploads to twice a week, but sometimes my full-time job does get in the way of that, and I do the most updates on Instagram, which is BunnyJanie, as well as Twitter. So if you want to follow me on those social media platforms, I'll also have that link down below. Special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel through difficult times. Of course, couldn't do it without you. And that being said, I hope you're staying safe out there. Let me know how you're doing down in the comments below, and I will see you very, very soon with another video. Bye.